Good morning. Very good morning, children. Had your breakfast? Yes. Then nothing. We will start. Okay. Please tell me what is the date today? Today it is 30. We are in the month of August. Year is 2021. Today is Monday. Monday you have English, right? Yes. Then let us see what is the thought for the day. Learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow. This is our thought for the day. Yes, children? Yes. We were in module 2. Yes. So, take out your English workbook. Yes, take out, children. Yes. English workbook, module 2, part 1. Previous class, what we learned, children? Tell me. We learned common nouns, proper noun. Yes, then genders, gender nouns. Then what we learned? Collective noun. Yes, yes. This is all we learned in previous class. Right, children? Yes. You know common noun, right? What is common noun? A general names which is given to a people, place, animal or a thing. Yes, yes. And it begins with small letter only. Yes, it doesn't begin with capital letter. Okay. Then proper noun. What are the proper nouns? Proper nouns are a specific name given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Right. Yes. Always the proper noun starts with capital letter. Correct. Yes. Then we learn gender nouns. How many gender nouns we learned? Tell me, children. We learned masculine gender, feminine gender, then neuter gender and common noun genders, right? Masculine genders are the names of the boys, men and male animals, right? Yes. Then feminine gender is the name given to a girls, women and female animals, right? Then neuter genders are which is not having a particular gender. Right? Yes, like non-living things, then even months, years, these all are neuter genders. It comes under the neuter genders. But even the people also will come because we are not giving a particular gender for that. Example like a child. If I am telling a child, that is not even a feminine gender, male gender. We don't know which child, right? Yes. So that all comes under the neuter gender only. Okay, then common nouns are common nouns that can be male or female. Yes, it can be male or female. Example like examples like a child, singer, then neighbor. Yes, then engineer, parent. Yes, anybody may be. Parent means we don't know whether it is a mother or a father, right? We are not giving any particular gender there. So that comes under the common noun. Okay? Yes. This and all we learn. Then collective nouns also we learn. What is collective nouns? Collective nouns are the words that refers to the group of the people or a thing or animal. Okay? In a group. Yes. So that group we are calling it as collective noun. Okay? When we are giving a particular thing for that things or a people or a animal, right? A group. So that group we will give a special name, right? That name only is called as collective nouns. Okay? Yes. So we learned many examples like army, soldiers, then bees in hive, yes, hive, army, flock, fleet, then bunch, yes, then class, pack, yes, this all comes under the collective nouns. Okay? Yes. Then next we completed exercises also. Now we will go to the page number 9. Yes, take out page number 9. Yes, formal writing. How to editing and writing the exercise. How to edit and write. Okay, like that. Let us see how we will do that. To learn how to write correctly, we must first learn to be able to spot errors in writing. Before editing and writing, you should see which are the mistakes has happened in that sentence. Okay, you should check it first. What are the errors are there? Okay, then you need to correct it. Okay, here are few points that we can follow to spot and correct errors in the text that we read. Any text which are given, how to what? How to point out and correct the errors we will see. Okay. Punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation and capital letters. Does every sentence and a punctuation mark? Does every sentence end with a punctuation mark is there? Yes, every sentence is having. Does every sentence start with a capital letter? Yes, it starts with a capital letter. Do all proper nouns starts with capital letter? Yes, I already taught you. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter only. Yes. Then have commas been used correctly? We should check whether the commas are used correctly, whether the proper noun is given in the capital letter or not, and where are comma, where we should start the capital letter, and how we are ending the sentence. Yes, this and all we need to check whether it is correct or not. Okay, if it is not correct, then you have to correct it. Okay. Spelling. Spelling also you should see. Highlight the words that feel and incorrectly spelled. You should highlight which is incorrectly spelled. Okay. If it is wrongly spelled, then you need to do it in the correct way, correct spelling. Okay. Then are the plural forms of words spelled correctly? If plural words are forms of the words have been correctly spelled or not, that also you should check. Singularly they have correctly done or plurally they have done correctly. That and all you need to check. Okay. Then sentence construction. Check for subject verb agreement. You should check whether the subject verb agreement is there or not. You have to check it. Okay. So here they have given some passage. The passage given below has spelling, punctuation, capitalization and grammatical errors. They have given a wrong thing in this sentence passage. So what we need to do? We highlight the errors. We should highlight the errors with color pencil. You should take out your color pencil. Then you need to highlight it. Okay. Then check the answers given at the bottom of the page. Okay. Then you should check the bottom of the page. They have given already answer. Then you should check. Before only no need to check. Okay. Yes. Let us do that. Take out color pencil. Any color pencil. Then let us do, children. Yes. See here, last week. Yes, last week. See, L. Last week you should start with capital. Okay, capital letter. So it is not correct. So underline that. Then week. Week also here it is wrong because they have given punctuation mark. Actually, it should not come in punctuation mark. It should come comma. Okay, here comma should be there. So underline that also. Okay. Then my grandmother made us big meat. Okay. Meal. M-E-A-L. See here spelling is wrong. M-E-E-L it's there. Okay. Actually it is M-E-A-L. Underline this. Only underline. I am just showing the spelling for you. Can you see, children? Yes. Then next for dinner. See the dinner spelling also it is wrong. D-I-N-N-I-R it is. Actually dinner spelling is D-I-N-N-E-R. Yes. So here E should come instead of I. So this is also error. So underline it. Okay. Then I ate. Here full stop should come. Then this should be in capital letter. I already told you I should be starting with capital letter. Yes. So that is also error. So I also underline. Ate so much that I thought. Here I is capital only. So thought. Thought is, what is the spelling of thought, children? T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Okay. T-H-O-U-G-H-T is the correct spelling. But here T-A-U-G-H-T they have given. So that also you should underline. My stomach would. Yes, the stomach would. W-O-U-L-D. But this is W-U-E-D. Sorry, W-U-D. So this is also wrong spelling. So underline. Okay. Then my sister spilled some. S-O-M-E some, not S-U-M some. Okay. So that also wrong. So underline. Noodles in her white dress, right? Because we are mentioning sister. Then it is a feminine gender, right? Then we should write no, right? We should write her. Okay, so on her, in her, it is not there. On her only, right? So this you should underline. Then white, what is the spelling of white? W-H-I-T-E, right? Here W-I-T-E they have given. So this also underline. Okay, white dress. V. Then full stop. Yes. Here the sentence is completed. We need to put full stop. They are not given. Okay. Then we should start with capital letter W. But here it is small. So underline this also. V also. Then laughed so hard. I helped my sister wipe. Yes, I helped my sister wipe. Wipe off. OFF. It should come. Here OF is come. So underline that also. The stain. I love it when granny make. Granny. Yes. Granny should come in the capital letter. Yes. So that also you should underline. Then makes. M-A-K-E-S. Makes. Make. Not make. Makes. So S is missing. So this also spelling mistake only. Underline. Then noodles. It makes me very happy. What is the spelling of happy? H-A-P-P-Y. Here they have given H-A-P-P-I-E. So underline this also. Okay. Then you can check the answer given below here. See. Can you see it? Yes, here. It is given. Then you can turn like this and see. The answer will be here. Okay. That you can color if you are not able to understand now. Yes. Then turn next page, children. Next exercise 4. The passage given below as 15 spelling punctuation. 15 spelling and punctuation, sentence formation and grammatical errors are there. Correct the errors and rewrite the passage in the space given. Go through the points given before editing the passage. Before editing, before correcting that errors, you have to first go through the passage. Okay, read the passage. Then identify where are the mistakes have happened. Then you have to edit it again. That means you have to correct it as spellings, full stop, a capital letter, yes, then question mark or full stop, that and all. Okay. Yes, let us see. Preeti, Ankush and Tara went to see TWO2 they have given. To not like that, right? TOO, sorry, TO, right? To the store pet store. Correct, there is a mistake. See, that and all mistakes are there. Then Anush brought a big bag of food for his cat Whiskers. Whiskers, there should be full stop. But they are given question mark. See, that also it is wrong. Preeti looked. What is the spelling of looked? L-O-O-K-E-D, right? They have given L-O-K-E-D. So that also spelling mistake, right? At a tank of fish and said, ho. Said, okay, there it should come comma, then apostrophe, then ho, then you should give an exclamation mark there, then capital I should be there. See how many mistakes. Want to, not wants, want, okay, want to, okay, then full stop, then you should close the exclamatory mark, then Tara, capital letter, it is already there. Tara fed some parrots and played with them. Before leaving the store, there should come comma. Okay, then you should write the store, leaving the store. Okay, then comma. They went to play with the puppies. Okay, there is not exclamation mark. We ended the passage. Then it should come full stop. Okay, so that also mistakes are there. Okay, now how you know how to correct the mistakes in that passage? Yes, now what you will do? Here you have in page number 10, you have here few space. You need to write it in a correct way. Okay, what are the mistakes are there that you should correct and write here like this. I will write it on the board, children. You should copy down. P-R-E-E-T-I, Preeti, comma, because one more name we are giving here. Okay. Yes. Ankush and Tara went to the pet store. Okay, then full stop. Then Ankush bought a big bag big bag of food. Yes, children, big bag. Yes, write down big bag of food for his cat. Okay, then here comma it should come. Okay, cat. Then we are mentioning the thing here. Whiskers. What it is thing, right? It is eating that thing. Whiskers. Okay, then full stop. Whiskers is a proper noun, so you should give capital letter in between. Okay, then Preeti looked at a tank of fish and said, then comma. Okay, after said we are going to start some other type, right? Then here, what? You should put a comma here, then you should start with the capital letter H-O-O. Then exclamation mark, then capital again, I write capital. Okay, I want to, D-O-O-2, okay, then full stop. Okay, oh, I want to, like that what Preeti said, okay. Then Tara fed some parrots and played with them. Okay, then full stop. Before leaving the store. Okay, then comma again. Then they went to play with the puppies. Then full stop. Okay, children, because we complete that passage. Okay, write down like this. Now only you should write down, children. In page number 10, you need to write here. Okay. Yes. Then next page we have. Okay, what we have? Creative writing. Okay, we have picture-based description. Exercise 5. Observe the given picture and write down few points about it. Use these points to then complete the description of the picture by filling in the gaps in the paragraph. Yes, in this paragraph, by seeing the pictures, you need to complete it. Okay. See here, they have given a picture. Can you see, children? Picture clearly. Yes, this is what this picture it is. Can you tell me? Yes, it is zoo. Yes, already written here. See zoo. Correct. Yes, this is a picture of a zoo. Here they have given some hints. According to that you have to write. Okay. Describe what you see in the picture. How do you think the animals feel? Fill in the gaps with reasons for why you think that animals should not be locked up in the zoo. Okay. Yes. See here. First one they are asking what is the name of the place in the picture. What is the name of the picture? Zoo. Correct. Write down a zoo. Here. Write down now only, children. A zoo. Okay. Then next. Which animals do you see? Which all animals do you see? Zebra. Then monkey. Then elephant. Then giraffes. Then alligator. See here alligator. Then deer also. Here. Yes. Mention it. See I have written. Can you see? Write down. Zebra. Monkey. Elephant. Giraffe, alligator, deer. Complete now only, children. Yes. Then next what we have? What are the animals doing? What these animals are doing? Zebra, giraffes, deer standing in closed spaces. Closed spaces it is standing. Yes. Which? Zebras, giraffes, then deer also. Yes, they are nearby. Okay, standing in a closed space, which is closed. Then monkey, what monkey is doing? Hanging. So write down hanging. See here, zebras giraffes, deer standing in closed space. Then comma, monkey hanging. Complete fastly children, now only complete it. Then next what we have, how do you feel when you see them? How you will feel? I will write that on board, okay? This is completed children. Yes. Watch the video and complete fast, okay? Yes. See, I will write on the board. For the last question, how do you feel when you see them? How you will feel? I feel happy. Yes, when you go to the zoo, you feel happy, right? By seeing the animals. Yes. Seeing so many animals. So many animals. Yes. Yes. At one place, yes. In one place, so many animals we can see. Yes, children? Excuse me. But I feel sad. And also I feel sad. Why we feel sad? Seeing them away from their original homes. Their original homes. Yes. Yes, how you feel? You will feel happy by seeing so many animals in such a place, in one place. But I feel sad also. Yes, but I am feeling sad also. Why? Because they are away from their own homes. Okay, their own homes they are not staying in the forest. Forest is their homes, right? But they are not staying there. They are staying in the zoo. How they feel? If you are locked in one room, can you be happy? You will feel sad, right? Yes. Or whatever food they are giving, whatever they are giving, okay. But you can't do. You can't stay there because that is not your house, right? Where is your house? You should be free in your house, right? Freely you should be. You should not be locked. But here animals are being locked. So we feel very sad. Okay. So right now I feel happy seeing so many animals at one place. But I feel sad also seeing them away from their original homes. Okay. Complete children. Now itself. See here you should write that. Here. Are you understanding? Here you should write that. Okay. Here. Then turn the page. Then they have given some fill in the blanks, right? See, I will show in the picture itself. Now here itself, children. In board means you can't. I can't write, right? So I will show you how to write in here itself. Okay, take out page number 12. This is zoo. This is a zoo, which we saw is a zoo, right? So we will write here. See, this is a zoo. Complete now only. There are many different and beautiful. Yes, there are many different and beautiful animals. In the picture, there is an elephant. An elephant. Okay, write down fastly, children. At the center. Yes, at the center there are two giraffes. Two giraffes. See, in center we have two giraffes. Here in center. Okay. Yes, then. And flamingos. Each. Okay, and flamingos also. See, here it is flamingos. Where? Search, children. Where the flamingos are there? Here, see. Here in the picture, can you see? In your book only you can see flamingos. These are flamingos. Okay, that also are there. Each we have there. Then the flamingos are standing in a small stream of water. Write down, in a small stream of water. Then a monkey is hanging upside down from a tree. Okay, write down, hanging upside down from a tree. Okay, are you seeing, children? Yes, then there are many people in the zoo. Yes, there are many people in the zoo. An alligator is lying beside the water kennel. Yes, an alligator is lying beside the water kennel. Now only copy down, children. Please, now only copy down. However, looking this picture makes me sad. The animals look like they are, write down, they are always kept in the same place. Always kept in the same place and have nowhere to go. Yes, and they have nowhere to go. Can you see, children? Yes. Complete it. Then I think we should lock animals up in zoo because they should have that freedom. We should not lock them. Understand? We should not lock them because they should have the freedom. How we are having freedom, animals also need freedom. Okay, so they should have the freedom to move around in the wild. Okay, write down, children. They should have the freedom to move around in the wild. Their lives should not be spent locked up in the small space. Yes, spent locked up in the small space. Okay, then next, because of us human beings, this is beings, children. Can you see? Clear it is. Can you see this? Beings, beings. Okay, don't make spelling mistake, children. Write correctly. Then baby animals are sometimes removed from their families when we transport them to zoo. Okay. Yes, the animals are treated well. Okay. Yes, where we were, children? Here, right? We transport them to zoo. Okay. Yes, this also makes them sad and unhappy. Animals should be free to, even if the animals are treated well. Okay, even animals are treated well. See, write down, the animals are treated well. Okay, next, objects of public entertainment. Yes, write down, objects of public entertainment. I think that animals should not be kept in zoo. Yes, I think that animals should not be kept in zoo. Yes, children, please, children, watch the video and please complete it. Okay, please watch the video and complete it. Okay, yes, page number, which you need to complete, page number 10, 11 and 12. Okay, this you should complete. Then I will be sending the notes today. You have to complete that also. Okay, I will be sending the notes also. Please complete it, children. Okay, yes. Then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.